Hey everyone! Today, let's nail down the process of saving your custom ClickUp views. This simple action ensures that your unique setup, the columns, fields, and visual layout you prefer, is automatically preserved every time you access a project. This boosts individual efficiency and keeps teamwork aligned. 1. Log in and navigate to the target space. The goal here is to establish the specific area of your workspace that you want to customize and save. 1. Log in. Log into your ClickUp account via the website. 2. Select Workspace. Land on your dashboard and navigate to the correct workspace, e.g. NaN workspace, to ensure you are working in the right top-level container. 3. Enter Space. Enter the target space. Spaces organize related projects, folders, and lists. 4. Open Task/List. Open any task or list inside that space. This open view is the canvas for your view customization. Next, deep customization of the view layout. You will now meticulously adjust the layout to create your ideal workflow view. 1. Locate button. Find the Customize button, which is typically found at the top of the task or list view. 2. Adjust elements. Use the customization panel to precisely adjust what information is displayed and how. Columns. Choose which data columns appear in the list. Fields. Show or hide important custom fields your team uses. Details. Toggle on or off any additional task details. 3. Refinement goal. Continue making these tweaks until the visual layout is exactly what you need for a productive session. Next, enabling autosave to preserve the view. This is the most critical step, ensuring the customized view persists automatically. 1. Locate autosave toggle. Locate the autosave toggle, which is often a single switch near the customization panel. 2. Enable autosave. Flip the switch to enable autosave. This function ensures that every structural change you make, adding columns, hiding fields, etc., is automatically preserved. 3. Final benefit. Because the view is automatically saved, the layout remains consistent and personalized each time you return, which significantly saves time and boosts efficiency. Consistency, personalization, team alignment, and efficiency are the key benefits of this feature. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.